The students will come on the sport broadcast for 12 months. They'll have some modules that focus on TV and video content creation, another module that focuses more on audio and podcasting and radio. Then they'll also have a final project, which is a 15-minute documentary. And they'll have a module that runs all the way through the year called Professional Broadcast Placement, where we try and put them in industry scenarios. We're really lucky at Cardiff Met because we're surrounded by elite sport. So the students have always got the opportunity to find a match to film or an athlete to interview or to do a press conference. We've got really good partnerships with the likes of Glamorgan Cricket, Cardiff City Football, Cardiff Rugby, Cardiff Devils, so our students can go off campus for placements. Equally important to us is what they do on campus. Every Wednesday, every week, we have live programs. It might be a studio show, it might be a live stream of a basketball match or a rugby match, it might be a highlight show, or they might be making a feature. But we then have some major events that we focus on each year. And then our biggest event of the year is varsity. So we throw everything at that, and that comes towards the end of the second term. So the students have really developed their skills by then, and we ask them to put that into practice in a full day live broadcast. So it's like a mini Olympics on campus. We ask our students to plan the whole day, running orders, who's filming what and where. We had 9 live streams, which is unprecedented in university sport. But what that gave our students was a real confidence that they could go off and do this on their own. We've got graduates at the BBC, we've got graduates at Sky Sports and TNT Sports in full-time production roles. We've got some graduates that like to be in front of camera and they are presenters and commentators and reporters. But we're finding that most of the jobs are behind the camera in production. What we've seen is also a really rapidly expanding freelance market. So a lot of our students don't want a full-time job, they want the freedom to work for different clients. And we're finding they're setting themselves up as videographers or live stream directors or just content creators and influencers in different areas. It's a really buoyant job market at the moment, but there's that choice whether you want to go staff or you want to be a freelancer, and if you want to be in front of camera or you want to be in production. Some of our students go down the creative route and some go down the more technical route. And we're constantly evolving our course year to reflect what the market looks like. So it's very much a creator economy now. So we want our students to be ready to put their content and their own personal brand where it needs to be seen by the most people and where they can monetize their skills and have some fun along the way as well.